It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the Jordan 3 Fire Red. All right, I know what y'all saying. What the hell is this guy doing? These shoes retro 2 years ago. We in 2024. 2 years ago, I wasn't into Jordan 3s like I am now. I love Jordan 3s. Matter of fact, for me, it's Jordan 11s, Jordan 12, and now Jordan 3s. Your boy got these on StockX for $215 with the processing fee, taxes. It came out to be $263.97. Your boy got these 11 and a half, all right? So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Got something else in here, so y'all can see this. These shoes been on my radar for months, and I can't believe the resale value on these shoes is not over $300. So your boy put a bid in for $215. And one day, man, my bid was accepted, and we here. And when it comes to Jordan 3s, I remember I got my first pair of Jordan 3s. I think it was the Racer Blue. And when I seen how they look on my feet, I said, damn, we own to something. And then came the Wizards and what's the other ones I got last year? Yeah, man, these right here, I should have got these a long time ago. It's one Jordan 3 I wish your boy would have hit on, and that's the Reimagine. Now, I hit on them for my son, but nah, me, I don't have them, man. And I gotta say, those Reimagine go hard. They go hard. But I ain't gonna take too long on this video. I just want y'all to see, man, your boy, yeah, got the Fire Red Jordan 3s, man, on StockX. And I love how these shoes look, man. I love the colorway on these shoes. Now, let's go see how they look on feet. Let's go. These shoes look good on feet, and I'm glad I went 11 and a half. I have two pair of Jordan 3s that's size 12, and the reason why I went size 12 because of the toe box. I'm thinking, man, let me go half size up, and that's the biggest mistake I made. Matter of fact, let me show you all the Jordan 3s I have. Now, as you can see, these are all my Jordan 3s, except these right here. These are the Reimagine. These are the ones that I hit on for my son. And I don't know, man, as far as the colorway, do y'all think these the best Jordan 3s as far as colorway, or one of the best? But everything right here is all mine. Oh my. In the Jordan 3s that came out, I think 2 months ago, it was like the same color as Dallas Cowboys. I didn't get those. I didn't even try to get those because I already have 2 blue Jordan 3s already. But as you can see, your boy have the Racer Blue. I love those. I love those. Your boy have the Fear. A lot of people said that these are trash. I don't know why they said that, man. That orange pop. Look at the orange on that. The material, the nubuck. I don't know why boys say these are trash, man, but I love it. Shit, they look good on feet. And then you have the Wizard. Now these right here, I have a hat to go with these. I could have done without these because again, I already have blue. I think the Racer Blue, the blue on these look better than the blue on these, but it is what it is though. Name all the Jordan 3s that you have. If you're offering 2 Jordan 3s. I know some of y'all might say, well, I'm not offering the Jordan 3s like that. Or some of y'all might say, well, Trey, I have way more Jordan 3s than you. You late to the party. That's all I have. That's all I have. And there's a lot more Jordan 3s that I want too. So we gonna work on that. But yeah, man, when it comes to J's, it's 11s first, 12s and 3s. It used to be 11, 12, and 14. Just that 114. And that's the Lord have mercy, Black Toe. All right. And I love Black Toe. That's the only 14 I really, really love. And I got the Candy Cane too. So what say y'all? Are these shoes hot or they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.